Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and I am holding an IRP-TR alarm ration. This is the same company that makes the expeditionary, winter, and hiking ration. According to the manufacturer's website, this ration is ideal for use in alarming or emergency suitcases of law enforcement agencies. And it's also used in the provision of food for employees of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Russian Federation. This is a very compact ration. It weighs 2 pounds 13 ounces and it contains 2,531 calories. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We are going to use my Firebird knife that can be found in our Amazon kit store. And there it is. We have a stove with 3 fuel tablets, 100 grams of liver pate, 3 bags of tea, 2 45 grams each of apple jam, waterproof matches, 3 20-gram packs of sugar, package of crackers. This is 250 grams of first-grade beef stew, 250 grams of Kasha with beef. You have 250 grams of Kasha with rice and beef. And there you have it. That's what's inside of a Russian IRP-TR alarm bag ration. Very compact ration, easy to slip inside of a bug-out bag or a camping pack. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted rations. You can get this ration right now on our website at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.